The Aqua brick water filtration system will provide up to 550 gallons of pure, safe water, even if the water source is heavily contaminated. The DuraFlow filter used with the Aqua brick filtration system has been independently end-of-life tested and certified to meet or exceed the EPA quality water standards for removing 99.9999% of bacteria, 99.99% of virus, and 99.99% of Giardia or Cryptosporidium. The other amazing feature of the Aqua brick filtration system is its simplicity. Anyone can use it anytime, anywhere. First, fill the Aqua brick with water. It holds approximately 3 gallons, or 11.35 liters. Next, attach the Quick Connect filter line to the bottom of the lid. The DuraFlow filter is attached to the other end of the tubing. Place the filter inside the Aqua brick and tighten the lid. Now, attach the pump line to the air input port. Next, connect the spigot line to the lid by pressing the Quick Connect end of the line to the dispensing port on the top of the lid. Take the bulb pump in your hand and squeeze it 5 to 10 times. This will press air into the Aqua brick. To dispense the filtered water, simply squeeze the spigot lever and let the clean water flow. It's that simple. The Aqua brick is easy to empty out completely. Just remove the lid, tip the Aqua brick while holding the comfortable molded handles, and quickly pour out every drop. How about food storage? No problem. Beans, rice, even freeze-dried food. For example, it can hold 20 pounds or 9 kilos of dry beans. The Aqua brick is airtight and UV protected, so you can store food in the Aqua brick for many years. When it comes time to use the food, it's just as easy to empty out all the food as it is the water. The last bean will pour out in just a few seconds. Cleaning the Aqua brick is easy. Simply wash with warm soapy water, rinse, and let dry. Multiple Aqua brick containers can be interlocked together and stacked to maximize storage space. The Aqua brick water filtration system. Safe water, anytime, anywhere.
Be sure and scan the QR code for fast and easy checkout.